Yeah. Yes, Aisha Didi, you can begin the recording also. Thank you. So, yeah. Sakshi Didi gave you one homework yesterday, and it was these decodable sentences for reading on the group. Right? She shared this with you now. And you have to read these sentences and you have to record your voice message and send it on the group today. Okay? I wanted to remind you all about this because this was given to you yesterday and maybe you have not seen the message, but today you have to see that message again and you have to record your voice and you have to send it on the group. Okay? You all will do this, right? So now you all have your notebooks with you, normal notebook, जिसपे भी आप homework करते हो English का, you all have that with you ना, and a pen or a pencil, anything will work. कोई भी notebook, first listen to me and then you ask me a question, क्योंकि फिर आप सब पूछते हो कि दीदी कौन सा notebook, वो notebook जिसमें आप English का homework हर रोज करते हो, और कोई notebook आपको नहीं चाहिए. Okay? जिसमें आप हर रोज इंग्लिश का होमवर्क लिखते हो, कोई भी वो नोटबुक में पेन या पेंसिल जो भी आपको चाहिए. सुनील बेटा, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? Very good, Shreyas, very good. So yes, some kids have shared the voice message with Sakshi Didi personally. So you do that today. Instead of sending it on the group, you send it personally to Sakshi Didi, okay? Everyone, I want to see everyone with your notebook or pen and pencil. Very good. I can see that all the kids are on mute. Show me thumbs up when you all are ready with your notebooks and your pen or pencil. Show me thumbs up.
Yes, Didi.
Show me thumbs up, beta. I have asked you to show me a thumbs up.
Yes, Didi.
Beta, show me thumbs up. Don't use the mic. Just show me thumbs up or write it on the chat option. Good. Yes, Aisha Didi, now you can share the PPT. So I will take the name of one child. So we all remember the norms of our class. We will not raise our hands. And we will not speak in between when Didi is speaking or when someone else is speaking or sharing. Okay? We will not raise our hands. We will only use the chat option. And when I want you to speak, I will take your name. And then you speak. Okay? Huzefa beta, please unmute yourself. Huzefa beta, read what is there on the screen.
Reading is
Dreaming.
dreaming with each word's
Eyes.
word
With eyes
open.
wide open.
Eyes.
So just a second, Huzefa, listen to me. First, wait a second, Huzefa. I will read it first. And then you listen carefully and then you speak, okay? Reading is dreaming. Reading. All of you also listen to Didi carefully and write it down in your notebooks. Reading is dreaming with eyes wide open. Now you speak, Huzefa.
Reading is dreaming with eyes wide open.
Open. Yes. So what does this mean? When we read something carefully, we can actually dream while our eyes are open. So when you read a story, when you generally read a story, like when you read about Padmini the princess, when we read something very carefully, we can actually see the picture in front of our eyes, like, right? We can see what is happening in front of our eyes. So quickly write it down. Aisha, this is the same size slide, please. Let them complete. Show me thumbs up when you're done, or write it on the chat option, done. D-O-N-E, done. Write it down on the chat option. Quickly, everyone, just take a minute to do it. Good, I can see some of you have done, some of you have completed it. You're writing it on the chat option. Sunil, please don't do this, beta. The chat option is not for all this. You just have to write what Didi is asking you to write, okay? Aisha Didi, are you here? Aisha Didi?
Didi, my done.
Beta,
Yeah,
you don't
Isha
have to speak. Beta, you're not supposed to speak. No. Please use the chat option only.
Yes, Isha, tell me.
Aisha, you're here. Okay. Because how am I able to? I'm the host now. Okay, stop it. Stop it now, everyone. Now let's begin reading also. Stop it, everyone.
Ma'am,
Yeah. So now,
ma'am.
Pari, beta, go on mute, please. Pari, Sangam, everyone, please go on mute. Use the chat option if you want to say something. Just look on the screen and now we'll begin. Sangam, we'll read. First, we will learn 2 new words today. Sangam, beta, unmute yourself, Sangam. Sangam, beta, press the mic button. Yeah, Sangam, now read the first word, fact, and uska meaning kya hai? Please read it loud.
Let's begin the learning some new words and their meaning.
Okay.
Something that
Yes, Sangam, beta, you're on mute again. Please unmute yourself.
something for the right is just a fact. It is a made up story.
Okay, very good. So you actually read about both the words. So the first word is fact. Fact is something that actually exists and it's a reality. Soham beta, you're not supposed to write this. Soham, you just have to listen to Didi beta. Just listen to what Didi is saying. So fact is something that actually exists. Fact वो होता है जो सही में चीजें exist करती हैं, जो reality है, which is there. Like you know that we have that apple is red, it is a fact, and apple is round. That is also fact. उसमें कुछ झूठ या कुछ गलत या बनावटी नहीं है. So that is fact. And what is fiction? जब हम बोलते हैं कि ये book fiction है, तो fiction is something told or written that is not a fact. Actually, it is not a fact. It is a made up story. Fiction जो है वो हम अपने आप से बनाते हैं. जैसे fairy tales हैं, वो हम खुद अपनी तरफ से लिखते हैं. उसमें कोई fact नहीं होता है. वो हमारी खुद की बनाई हुई story होती है. Just suppose if I ask any of you child to write a story, अगर मैं किसी बच्चे को बोलती हूँ कि आप स्टोरी लिखो, कोई भी स्टोरी आप अपनी तरफ से कैरेक्टर्स डाल के लिख सकते हो, तो वो फिक्शन होता है, वो फैक्ट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि कोई भी कैरेक्टर उसमें रियल नहीं होता है, उसमें कुछ और रियलिटी नहीं होती है, वो हमारी इमेजिनेशन है जो हम खुद सोच के लिखते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड दीदी. So now, Samarth, beta, you unmute yourself. Samarth, beta, press the mic button. Yes, Samarth, read the first two lines. Samarth. Samarth, beta, read the first line. Beta, can you see what is written on the screen, Samarth? Okay, now Didi will tell you and then you read again. Brian is in the park. He jumps into the leaves. Now read.
He jumps into the leaves.
Samarth, better read.
Yeah.
It's okay, Samarth, beta, you can go on mute. It's okay. Go on mute now. Press the mic button. It's okay, Samarth, it's okay. Ansh, beta Ansh, I want you to read the first two lines.
He likes to play with leaves.
Saurabh, दीदी ने आपको नहीं बोला है बोलने को, and this is the second time that you're speaking in between, beta. Saurabh, next time you will not speak until Didi takes your name or asks you to speak, okay? You will not press the mic button. You have to stay on mute. Ansh, beta, please unmute yourself, Ansh.
Yes, Didi.
Read the first two lines quickly.
Yes, Didi.
Read the first two lines, beta. Read the first two lines.
Brian is
Yes.
jumps on to the
leaves.
leaves.
Okay, thank you. So Brian is in the park. He jumps into the leaves. Then he likes to play with leaves. He is very excited. Okay, so the question is, and I want Soham to answer. Soham, beta, unmute yourself quickly. Soham. Soham. Soham, beta, can you hear me? Soham, please press the mic button. I don't think he knows how to press the mic button also. Okay, Prathamesh, now beta, you quickly answer the first question. Where is Brian? Where is he? Prathamesh? Where is he? You have three options. Where is he? Where is Brian? We just read a passage, 4 lines passage. According to that, where is he? Whether he is in the... Where is he, Prathamesh? Prathamesh, you were not attentive in the class, right? Where is Brian? What did you read? अभी 4 lines जो आपने पढ़ी हैं, हाँ बोलो.
Where is Brian? Brian
Where is
is on the leaf
Brian? Is on the leaf.
and park.
Having fun. Okay, thank you. Actually, he is jumping on the leaves. But Brian, where is Brian? You have 3 options with you.
Matti.
I will not allow you to speak like this. Nobody will speak in between. And I will not accept that answer. Sorry, but I will not. Shreyas, beta, I want you to answer. Where is Brian?
In the park.
Please answer the second question also. And what does he do?
Jumps into the leaves.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And the last question I want Vineet to answer. What does he like to play with, Vineet? What does he like to play with, Vineet? Vineet, read the first 4 lines better, then you will know the answer. What does he like to play with? Vineet, only Vineet will answer. Vineet, is he speaking? Beta, are you facing the same problem today also?
Leave. Little leaf.
I'm not able to hear you, Vineet. But thank you. Arya, beta, you answer this question quickly. What does he like to play with?
Leaves.
Yes, very good. He likes to play with leaves. You can see the answer is there in the sentences itself. In the passage only in the 3rd line, it is clearly written that he likes to play with the leaves. Okay, thank you. Next slide, please, Didi. Yeah, see, you can see it highlighted there. He likes to play with leaves. So that is what I keep telling you every day. Kids, that you have to read everything carefully. You don't have to just read it ऊपर से. जब आप कोई भी passage या story पढ़ते हो, उसको समझो and try and remember उसमें क्या हुआ. Okay? So the next is Emma the chef. Hi, my name is Tina. I am 10 years old. My name is Tina and I am 10 years old. Emma is my sister. So who is telling us about Emma? Tina is telling us about Emma. In the first line that you can see that it is going to be Tina who will tell us about Emma. So she says, hi, my name is Tina. I am 10 years old. Emma is my sister. And what does Emma do? She's working as a chef in a restaurant near our home. Okay. So now I want, because I've already read this, I want Ayush. Ayush, beta, please unmute yourself, Ayush. Yes, Ayush, beta, read the first two lines.
My name is
Hi.
my name is Tina. I am 10 years old. My Emma is my sister.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you. Ayush. Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you. Only the first two lines. Now you can go on mute. Ayush, go on mute now, beta. Yes, thank you. Pratiksha, beta, read the next two lines. Pratiksha.
She is working as a chef in a restaurant near our home.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Pratiksha. Yes, Pratiksha.
She likes to bake cookies for me.
Very good, very good. Thank you. So she is working as a chef.
Yes, teacher.
She is working as a chef. वो एक शेफ की तरह काम करती है. वो खाना बनाती है एक रेस्टोरेंट में. एक रेस्टोरेंट में वो खाना बनाती है जो कि हमारे घर के पास है. And what does she do? She likes to bake cookies for me. वो मेरे लिए cookies bake करती है. She likes cakes. I love cookies. उसको cakes बहुत पसंद है और मुझे cookies बहुत पसंद है और आइसक्रीम भी. So when you carefully read this sentence, you will know.
Okay,
You will know that Tina is saying कि I love cookies and ice creams, but my sister Emma. Now listen to this carefully. She is saying that my sister Emma likes cakes, but I, that is me, Tina, I like cookies and ice creams. Okay? Every weekend, हर एक weekend पे, I go to the restaurant with Emma. So Tina is saying that me, Tina, I go to the restaurant with Emma every weekend. Okay? So now let's see what are the questions. Didi, next slide, please. So I want Pari to answer this. Pari, beta, unmute yourself, Pari. And only Pari will speak now. Pari, beta, press the mic button, please. Thank you. Pari, who is Emma? Emma Tina की mom है, or she is Tina's sister, or she is Tina's friend. Only Pari will answer. Yes, Pari. Who is Emma? Sister.
Sister.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Pari. Now I want Ishwari to answer the next question. Ishwari, please unmute yourself beta quickly. Only Ishwari will speak. Yes, Ishwari beta, where is Emma working? You have three options in front of you: bank, school, or restaurant. Yes, Ishwari, be a little louder beta.
restaurant.
Yes, very good. Emma works in a restaurant. Now you can go on mute. Now I want Saurabh to answer question number 3. Saurabh, unmute yourself. What does Emma like? Emma को क्या पसंद है?
Cake.
Yes, very good. Emma likes cakes. Now go on mute, Saurabh. Thank you. Now I want Shravani to answer. Shravani, beta, please unmute yourself, Shravani. Yes, Shravani. What does Emma bake for Tina? You have 3 options in front of you: cake, cookies, or ice creams.
Ice cream.
No, what does she bake for Tina? वो टीना के लिए क्या bake करती है? Can you show the previous slide also, Didi, once, please?
Ice cream.
Shravani, read in this. Shravani, read this, beta. Read the 4th line. Restaurant near our home के बाद क्या है?
Hi, my name is
Okay.
Tina. I am 10 years old. Hello. Ima is my sister. She is 13, working as a chief in a restaurant near our
Shravani, beta, who is with you?
Nobody.
It's okay, beta. Shravani, it's okay, beta. You can stay on mute. It's okay. It's okay. So, please show the next slide, Didi. See, you can see it is written here. She likes to bake cookies for me. So, Shravani, beta, the answer is cookies. Emma Tina के लिए cookies bake करती है. Okay? Didi, next slide, please. Okay. So now we'll read this story. The name of the story is The Missing Doll. Now listen to Didi carefully. Jane was very sad. Jane was very sad. She could not find her doll. So why was Jane sad? Jane was sad क्योंकि उसको उसकी doll नहीं मिल रही थी. Her mom said. Whose mom said? Jane's mom said, look in your room. Maybe your doll is there. Jane's mom said that look in your room. Maybe your doll is there. So what did Jane do? Jane looked in her room. It was a terrible mess. वो सब कुछ वहां फैला हुआ था जब जेन अपने रूम में गई. It was a terrible mess. She started to clean her room. उसने अपना रूम साफ करना शुरू किया. And why did she do that? Because she had to find her doll. She put all the books on the shelf. What did Jane do? She put all the books on the shelf. She put her blankets on her bed. उसने सारी की सारी बुक्स अपनी शेल्फ पे रखी और जो अपनी ब्लैंकेट्स थी, चादर थी, वो भी बेड पे अच्छे से रखी. She picked up her clothes off the floor. The room was mess, तो उसमें कपड़े भी जेन ने अपने फ्लोर पे फैलाए हुए थे जमीन पे. उसने अपने कपड़े भी फ्लोर से उठाकर रख दिए. ओके दीदी, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. So Jane said, I found her. What did Jane find? Just a second. Gargi, beta, can you please unmute yourself? Gargi, quickly, beta. Thank you. Gargi, Jane क्या ढूंढ रही थी?
Doll.
Yes, good. Stay on mute now. Jane was finding her doll and she found it. She found the doll. So she said, I found her. My doll was hiding under my clothes. I think she was playing hide and seek. So she said कि my doll was hiding under my clothes. जो मेरे कपड़े जमीन पर पड़े थे उनके नीचे मेरी डॉल छुपी हुई थी and I think कि वो मेरे साथ hide and seek खेल रही थी. So what did Jane do when she found her doll? Jane put her doll in the doll house. Her room was clean and now it was time to play. So her room was clean now. In finding the doll, Jane cleaned her room also and she found her doll also. And she put her doll into the doll house. Okay? Didi, please, next slide. Okay, now everyone will stay on mute and only that child will speak जिसका मैं नाम लेती हूँ. I want Ankita to answer this. Ankita, please unmute yourself. Only Ankita will speak. Ankita? Yes, beta, listen to me carefully first, Ankita. At the end of the story, story के end में Jane's room was. You have three options. Story के end में Jane का room कैसा था? Look at the three options and answer. Ankita. Read the first question that you can see on the screen.
At the end of the story, Jane's room was dash.
Yeah, so at the end of the story, Jane का room कैसा था? Jane ने अपने room को क्या किया था?
Clean.
Yes.
Clean.
Beta, you know, only Ankita will answer. Only Ankita will answer. Ansh, go on mute. So Jane's room was clean. Yes, very good, Ankita. Thank you. Now go on mute, beta. Thank you. Jane's room was clean. अब you have three sentences in front of you and you have to number कि सबसे पहले क्या हुआ, what happened first, what happened second, and what happened third. And I want Huzefa to answer this. Huzefa?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, only Huzefa will speak. Huzefa, beta, what happened first? सबसे पहले क्या हुआ? Read the second question. Jane found her doll या Jane could not find her doll?
Jane could not find her doll.
Yes, this is what happened first. Very good. Second क्या हुआ? Jane found her doll या Jane cleaned her room?
Clean her room. Jane
Yes.
clean her.
Very good. So third क्या होगा फिर?
Jane found her doll.
Yes. So this is the sequencing that we do. This is, yeah, thank you, beta Huzefa. This is how we sequence a story. कि सबसे पहले कौन सा event हुआ, what happened second, and what happened next, and what happened after that. So सबसे पहले Jane could not find her doll. Then she cleaned her room to find the doll. And finally, she found her doll. So now next is, ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये तीन क्वेश्चन है, इसके बारे में आपको खुद सोचना है and you have to write it down for yourself. quickly note down these questions. Question number 3. Write it down in your notebooks and complete these questions for yourself. You don't have to share with me. ना तो आपको मेरे साथ share करना है, ना ही group पे भेजना है. आपको खुद के लिए ये लिखना है बस. Quickly write down these please.
दीदी
Yes, Arya.
दीदी ये
Yes,
पूरी
Arya.
शीट लिखनी है
क्या करना है?
दीदी ये पूरी शीट लिखनी है क्या सेकंड क्वेश्चन
बेटा only the third question. Answer each question के नीचे जो है आयशा दीदी, can you please highlight these last three? Have you ever lost anything? एक तो आपको ये वाला करना है. What was it and where did you find it? तो आपका क्वेश्चन बेसिकली ये है, क्या आपकी कोई चीज कभी गुम हुई है? अगर हुई है, if yes, तो वो क्या थी? And where did you find it? फिर आपको वो कहाँ मिली? So this is the... Saurabh, beta, you have to write this answer. Quickly note down these questions. Beta, pen. Listen to me first. अगर आपकी कोई चीज गुम नहीं हुई है, तो you will write no. And the meeting is just about to end now. I will post these questions on the group also. You don't have to join back. दोबारा आपको join नहीं करना है. Meeting end होती है उससे पहले you can write these questions, and if not, I will post these questions on the group also. Have you ever lost anything? क्या कभी आपकी कोई चीज गुम हुई है? If yes, then what was it and where did you find it? It can be as small as a pencil also. अगर कोई आपकी पेंसिल भी गुम हुई है कभी,